We finally almost complete the level!
Luke, shut off your game. It's time for supper.
Okay, just 1 second. I'll be right up.
Alright.
Come on, guys. I have to go for supper. Let's beat this as fast as possible.
Luke, come up for supper!
I have to go for supper. No, bro, you can't leave now. We need 3 people to beat this or else we'll have to restart another day. We're literally 2 minutes away from beating it. I'm sorry, guys. My mom's called me up twice now. I better go before she grounds me. What are we having for supper?
We're having KD and wieners. It'll be ready in about 5 minutes. You can just sit down for now.